Hello and welcome to a video about how to check your child's grades on Schoology. Once you've logged into your parent portal on Schoology, you want to go to Grades and then Grade Report. Now you'll see again a list of your child's classes, and we can look at grades by clicking on a class. We'll start with math. So you'll see assignments are listed by least recent to most recent. Those due dates are right around here. They're to the right of the assignment title. The course grade is at the bottom. This is their overall grade in the class. And then as you scroll up, you will notice scores for each assignment. Scores also have little icons beside them, and each icon has meaning. We're going to explore those today. So if you see a green puzzle piece, that indicates a test or a quiz. As we scroll down, we see something is missing. Missing is indicated by both the orange hexagon and the word missing. Now, for this missing assignment, we see there's a green icon beside it. The icon means that it has been submitted by your child. So this says missing with an icon because this was turned in late. In a situation like this, it's always a good idea to email your teacher and let them know that this missing work has been turned in. We don't see any more missing work for this student, but we continue to see these green puzzle pieces, and again, that indicates a test or a quiz. Now, if you saw this orange hexagon and it said missing without an icon, that means your child has not turned an assignment in. It is truly missing and will be a 0 until it is turned in. Let's look at a different class example. We're going to click to collapse. And then we're going to look at, let's check out science. Now this looks a little bit different. You'll notice these blue pieces of paper icons. That means your child has turned in a document, like a Word document. You'll notice there are some comments. Here's a different icon. This means that there was a discussion post. So we have a document turned in, a test or a quiz, and a discussion post on the Schoology course page for that class. Finally, we have these little squares. That indicates that a rubric was attached. A rubric is just a standard of grading for an assignment. So let's click, and then the rubric populates for us. We can see that this child did a really good job on their assignment. Hooray! Rubrics give you really specific information about how an assignment is supposed to be completed. We can see that this student got mostly 4s and 5s, so that gives you really good info on how something is being graded. Also on the side, you can't see it, my screen cuts off, but it tells you the total points the child has received. At the top left, again, you can't see it, but you can click the X to get out of the rubric. Let's look at one more rubric here. Now this is a simpler one, but still did a really good job. If it's green, that means that's your child's score on that rubric. We'll look at one more class just for a little bit more context and information. Let's look at language arts. Now we see there's a lot of things without an icon beside it. That may mean that your child is using something different, like a program called StudySync. However, we see we've got that quiz or test icon, we've got that discussion icon, we've got the document icon, and we've got the rubric icon. Again, you can just click those squares to view the rubric. I hope this video was helpful for you. I will be making more. Thank you for watching.